Hey guys, don't worry, I'm here to help you to fix this problem with the step-by-step perfect solution. So let's begin. Click on Advanced Options, then we need to select Troubleshoot, then select Advanced Options and then click on Command Prompt. Type chkdsk/f/r:/c: and hit enter to execute the command. Now wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Now we need to type this command C: and simply press enter. Now we need to type cd space C: / and hit enter to execute. Now type cd space Windows and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd system32 and hit enter. Type in cd space config and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command carefully. Type in md space backup and simply hit enter to execute it. Now execute this command. Type copy space *** space backup and simply hit enter. Now type md backup1 and hit enter. Now execute this command carefully. Type in copy space ** space backup1, then simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space regback and simply hit enter. Now type dir and then simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type copy space ** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter to execute the command. Type in bootrec space /fixmdr and hit enter to execute the command. Now type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter to execute. Now execute this command cd space C:/. Let's execute this command. Type cd space Windows /system32/config/regback. Then simply we need to hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type bcd edit space /export space C: /bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Then move to the next one. Type cd space C: / and hit enter. Now type md space boot and hit enter. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type cd space C: / and simply hit enter. Now type attrib space C: -boot -bcd space -h space -r space -s and hit enter to execute. Type in ren C: \boot \bcd bcd.old and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and hit enter. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you're good to go.